Okay, so we've worked on our first project now in Samba. When you log in, you should see that project on your login screen like this, called Getting Loopy. You should be able to play to listen to it. You can then go back into the studio here and edit it as well. But for this lesson, we are going to be working on a separate project that I'm sharing with you, which is all to do with the structure of Samba and you being able to recognise the different parts of Samba and put a structure together. So you'll need to copy the link that I've shared with you on the website, and you will then need to go up to the browser window search bar and type it in to be able to access this new assignment. Once it's loaded, you should see a screen that looks a little bit like this, with lots of different instruments already added in for you and labelled as the different instruments in the Samba, and with tracks, audio tracks already on those. So what you need to do is you need to listen to the audio example of the Samba piece that I've put onto the school website, and then you are trying to recreate that piece of music using these audio files in Soundtrap. So you need to listen really carefully to individual tracks on Soundtrap and to the original piece of music to work out what parts happen when and together, and what parts happen separately, and what order they begin and end in, so that you can drag and drop these parts around to make it match. Okay, so the important things you need to know to be able to do that. You will need to be able to solo tracks using the headphones so that you can listen to individual audio files or sounds, like this. Okay, you might want to also be able to turn up the volume on things. Remember, we click and drag on the volume, drag upwards to turn up the volume or downwards to turn down the volume, so that you can hear what each of the tracks sounds like more effectively. See if that's made a difference. Okay, then you click solo again to unsolo that track and be able to listen to all of them again. So you need to listen to each of the tracks individually, use the score on the website, use the recording on the website, so that you can work out and put together this piece into the right order. Remember, you just need to click and drag to move things around, and that you can copy things by pressing down the Alt key and then clicking and dragging to add it later on in your project. Remember, if you get too many copies of something or you want to delete something, you need to press the delete key on your keyboard as well. Okay, if you make a mistake like I just did, deleting the wrong track, then Control and Z on your keyboard will undo the last thing that you did to get back what it was that you accidentally deleted or changed. Now, you will need all of these pieces that I've put into the project. You need all of those to make the piece of music, and some of them you will need to copy and use multiple times throughout the project. All of these top tracks are individual instrument sounds, whereas this bottom track is where some of these instruments are being used or played together in certain sections of the piece. So use the PowerPoint on the website that describes the structure of a piece of Samba, use the audio file, and use the score to help you work out how to order these pieces and drag and drop them into the right positions. I'm going to give you one top tip before I go, and that is that you need to start with this red track, the Reponique, at the very beginning. So that is the very first thing that you should hear. And I'll give you another hint in that one of these other tracks or audio files also needs to play at the same time as this. So think about the length of the audio file you've got and what would fit in that gap. The rest is up to you. Use your ears, use your eyes, try your best, and I look forward to seeing your Samba pieces recreated. Remember, again, at the end of all of your projects, you must click the save button so that it syncs to me and I can see your work. Have fun, and I look forward to listening to what you come up with.